Okay, guys, we are going to review dividing a whole number by a fraction and then a fraction by a whole number. Okay, first thing we're going to do is look at the problem 5 divided by 1/4. Okay, so I have 5 wholes and I want to know how many fourths, how many 1/4 are in 5 wholes. So first, let's draw my 5. Okay, now I'm going to divide my 5s into fourths. How many fourths do I have in each of my wholes? I have 4 fourths in each of my wholes. So 5 divided by fourths is how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 divided by 1/4 equals 20. Now, how would this problem be different if my 1/4 had been 3/4? Let's look and see. Five divided by 3/4. Still have my 5 wholes. Still going to divide them into 4 pieces. Sorry, guys. Not sure what I just did there. There we go. All right, let's divide them into 4 pieces. Now, the difference is, instead of counting each of my 4 pieces, each set of 3 pieces, now I want to know how many groups of 3 do I have? How many groups of 3 do I have? So let's see. I have 1 group of 3. I have 2 groups of 3. I have 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, 5 groups of 3, 6 groups of 3. Now, how many do I have left over? I have 6 groups of 3 with 2 of my 3 left over. So 5 divided by 3/4 is 6 2/3. Let's try that one more time. Let's start with 3 divided by 1/3. Okay, I have 3 wholes. I'm going to divide each whole into 3 parts. Now I'm still asking myself how many groups, only now I'm saying how many groups of 1. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 1. Let's see if that's not a 1/3. How would we solve it? Let's try thinking of that same problem, only now let's do 3 divided by 2/3. I still have 3 whole groups. Now I want to know how many 2/3 are in there. So let's separate my 3's into, or my wholes into 3 groups. Now, what is my question? Sorry, not sure what happened there. How many groups of 2? Let's see, how many groups of 2? I have 1 group of 2. I have 2 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2. 4 groups of 2 with 1 out of 2 left over. So my answer is 4 and 1 out of 2, or 4 and 1/2. Okay, now let's try